Exercise 14.1.
Second question I'm doing. With the same center O, draw two circles of radii 4 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter. You have to take same center. So I'm taking this point O to be the center of the circle. Now you have to draw two circles. One with radius 4 centimeter. You will take the ruler. Keep the rounder tip at 0 and the pencil at 4. See, like this. So you have measured 4 centimeter. Now you will put your rounder tip here and then draw a circle. With same center, you have to draw one more circle with radius 2.5 centimeter. Keep your rounder tip at 0 and pencil on 2.5. You will draw the circle. Same center पे रखना है and then start drawing. So this is question number 2. Third question, draw a circle and any of its two diameters. Now this is a circle you have to draw with the help of rounder. This is the center. Now you have to draw diameter. What is a diameter? The chord passing through the center. So you can draw any two diameters. Like let's say I'm drawing this one. This is the first one. And this is the second one. So you have drawn two diameters. Now if you join the ends of the diameters, you have to join the ends of the diameters. So this end, these two ends and this one. So you have to tell the figure obtained. Now we know that diameters of a circle are equal in length. So it means if this is a quadrilateral means polygon with 4 sides. So the diagonals of the quadrilateral are equal in length and they are bisecting each other. So this figure is a rectangle ABCD. This figure ABCD is a rectangle. If the diameters are perpendicular to each other. So if this is one diameter and this is these two are perpendicular to each other. Now you have to join the ends. Now again you have got a quadrilateral with equal diagonals and diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other. So it means now this figure ABCD is a square. Now fifth question, let AB be centers of two circles of equal radii. So it means you have to draw two circles with same radius. So let's say I'm taking radius of the circles is 3. So I'm drawing a circle with center A and radius 3. Keep the rounder tip here and draw the circle. So now you have to make one more circle with same radius so that each one passes through the center of the other. We want this circle to pass through the center of the other circle. It means this point will be the center of the other circle. So it will draw the circle. So now this center is B. We have got two circles so that their centers passes through another circle. Now what you have to do, let them intersect at C and D. So this point C and this point D. Examine whether AB is perpendicular to CD. Now you have to draw a line CD and you have to see whether AB is perpendicular to CD or not. How will you check? You will take your protractor, you will go inside this base line with line AB and you will see this line CD is making what angle? Now you can see that this line is making 90 degree. So it means AB is perpendicular to CD. Exercise 14.3. Draw any line segment PQ. Without measuring, construct a copy of PQ. So first you have to draw a line segment PQ. You don't have to measure it. ठीक है, कोई भी line segment. We have drawn this line segment to make a copy without measuring. Now what you will do is you will draw a line. I'm talking about line, not line segment. You will draw a line. It means you have to make two arrows on both the sides. You don't have to measure this line. Now you will open your rounder tip. Keep on the point A, the tip of the pointer, and pencil on point B. So now this is the length of your line segment AB. Now what you will do, you will take any point on this line. Let's say I'm taking this point. This point is P. Now you will keep the pointer here on P and this Q. Draw an arc on this point. This is the arc and this is the point Q. So you have made a line segment PQ without measuring.